What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel. I would love it if you would subscribe. And in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing a what I eat in a day. So it is about 8 in the morning and I'm about to go make myself breakfast. And then we're gonna go to the gym, and I've got a couple recipes that I'm really excited to show you guys today, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, breakfast is ready. So this morning we're having 2 crepes with 2 sausages and 2 scrambled eggs with shallots and green onions on top, and the everything but the bagel seasoning. I also have some maple syrup to put on my crepes, and I've got some water that I'm going to be drinking throughout the day. I have also changed since the last time we talked because we need to go to the gym and we're going to be late. But let's try these eggs together because they look good and they smell good. So let's try them. Definitely the everything but the bagel seasoning does such a difference. Definitely recommend you guys try it out. What's up, guys? We are back from the gym and I'm a bit hungry, so I just made Alex and I some fruit bowls, so I thought I would show you guys what they look like. And I'm also making chocolate covered bananas because I think that's gonna be really yummy for a little snack this afternoon or even this morning. So let me show you guys what I'm making. All right, so I've got my little fruit bowl with some grapes and some mango. Usually I would have a banana in there, but since I'm using it to make chocolate covered bananas, I didn't put some in here. So basically what I did, I added some semi-sweet, or I think they're dark, I'm not sure, chocolate chips in here with some coconut oil. I cut up my banana, I got some parchment paper out, and I also got some shredded coconut that I'm going to add. And let's cover these little bananas. I'll show you guys once they're all done. All right, you guys, this is what they look like. I'm gonna put them in the fridge for at least 10 minutes before trying one. But I don't think I'm gonna be eating any right now, so I'm just gonna leave them in the fridge to sort of harden up a bit, and I'm gonna go eat my fruit bowl. I am also going to make myself my iced coffee because I still haven't made it yet, so let's make iced coffee. All right, if you guys have ever seen me make iced coffee on my channel before, you already know how I make it. I use almond milk and some vanilla creamer. So that's what I'm gonna do, put it in my iced coffee right here and enjoy. And just like that, we've got some iced coffee. Always super good. All right, I'm gonna grab my fruit bowl, my coffee, and sit on the couch for a bit. All right, you guys, we are back in the kitchen because it is lunchtime. It is 12:30 right now, so let's make some lunch. All right, so for lunch, I'm going to be making the creamy dill pickle salad for Alex and I, and then I'm making myself a wrap with some tzatziki. I've got some leftover shrimp that I need to finish, and then this cold slaw salad that needs to get finished also, and I'm going to be using this pita bread to make my wrap. So I'm going to make my lunch and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I'm done. All right, you guys, this is lunch. I've got the creamy dill pickle salad and I've got my little wrap right here. I'm going to go eat, and I'll update you guys later when I try the chocolate covered bananas. All right, you guys, so it's a little while later and I want to try the chocolate covered bananas with coconut on them, so I thought I would do a little taste test for you guys right over here. All right, so this is what they look like. They have the little coconut on them. So this is what they look like. So let's try them. Cheers.
Cheers.
I like the coconut on top. I'm really glad I added that. It makes such a difference. It's so yummy.
Wow.
We'll be making this again, for sure.
Definitely.
It's such an easy snack to just put.
A little afternoon.
But
really
it's an
good.
easy snack to like just pack and bring to work also.
Yeah.
So that's cool. Yeah, I'll be remaking these. All right.
They're really good.
I'll talk to you guys later. We're gonna make dinner together and I'm so excited. We're eating tacos for dinner. And just like that, it is the end of the day and it is time for me to make dinner. We are making tacos for dinner, so let's get started. Let me show you guys what you'll need for this recipe. All right, so if you guys watched my last video, I made this recipe, this couscous recipe from Good Food. Honestly, you guys, if you haven't tried them out, really, you need to. They have so many good recipes, and every time that we order from them, Alex and I are surprised and very happy with what we ordered. So tonight we are remaking these tacos. So let me show you guys what we need to make these tacos. So first off, you need ground pork, some cabbage, some cheese, mozzarella to put on top of your tacos, some mayonnaise, some Mexican seasoning, green onion, an apple, some lime, salt and pepper, and some coriander. You can also grab some tomatoes and add some green onions with some diced tomatoes, a bit of salt and pepper, some lime juice, and a bit of olive oil, and make a pico de gallo and put that on top. But Alex and I just don't like tomatoes, so we are going to stick to this. And also I'm going to be skipping the cilantro because I do not like cilantro. All right, so Alex is going to be home in about an hour, so I'm not going to be making this super quick, so I'll be able to show you guys really the step-by-step. I'm gonna start by making the cold slaw with the apple and the cabbage, and also the sauce that goes on top of the tacos. So let's make that. All right, you guys, I have made the cold slaw. So basically I chopped up some cabbage, some green apple, some green onions. I only put the green part of the onion, not the white part. I added some salt and pepper, some Mexican spices, a bit of olive oil, and 2 limes. Honestly, for the lime juice, you can add as much as you want. It really depends on what you prefer. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna let it sit because it honestly tastes so much better once it's sat for a little bit. So I'm gonna let that sit, and I'm going to make the sauce to go on the tacos. All right, the taco sauce is made. This sauce, I literally go off of taste. So I added some mayonnaise, some lime juice. I added 2 limes because I've got quite a lot of mayonnaise in here, but Alex and I love this sauce, so I like making a little bit extra. Some salt and pepper, and some Mexican spices. All right, I'm currently cooking the ground pork, so I added some olive oil and the white part of the green onion, some salt, some pepper, some Mexican seasoning, and at the end, so like literally 30 seconds ago, I added some lime juice on top just to give it an extra kick. So as soon as this is all cooked up, I'm gonna sit down, make my tacos, and show you guys how good these look. All right, you guys, look at these tacos. I just put the sauce on the bottom, added the ground pork, some cheese, and the cold slaw. And since it's Friday night, I made myself just a Coke with ice. I've been loving drinking that recently. I feel like I'm at the movie theaters and it tastes really good. So we're gonna eat, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? I realized that I did not end this video. I'm really sorry. I am so bad at this. In these past few weeks, I've been like forgetting to end my videos. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.